In this video, we'll see verbs that will be constructed with the preposition de and followed by another verb in the infinitive form. Verbe numéro 1. Accepter de. J'accepte de le faire. J'accepte de le faire. So in this situation, you can see that the verb accepter is in the present form, then we put the preposition de, and after that the verb is faire in the infinitive form. But then you need to be aware about the fact that this le, it's the pronoun complément d'objet direct, and the pronouns should in French always be before the verb they are connected to. So this is the reason why le will be in fact before faire, and so you have your preposition, then after that you have your pronoun, complément d'objet direct, and then you have your infinitive form. J'accepte de le faire. Verbe numéro 2. Accuser de. Il m'accuse de le faire. Il m'accuse de le faire. So the verb is accuser. So as you can see, we have also here a pronoun complément d'objet direct. Il me accuse. We drop the e and we get il m'accuse. De, your preposition, exactly the same situation as we had previously. So the pronoun complément d'objet direct must be before the verb it is connected to, and the verb is faire in the infinitive form. Il m'accuse de le faire. Verbe numéro 3. S'agir de. Il s'agit de faire votre travail. Il s'agit de faire votre travail. In that situation, the verb is s'agir de, so it's a pronominal verb here. That's the reason why when you conjugate it, you will have this se here for the third person of the singular. Il s'agit de faire votre travail, preposition de, after that your verb in the infinitive form, faire. Il s'agit de faire votre travail. Verbe numéro 4. Achever de. J'achève de faire mes exercices. J'achève de faire mes exercices. So in that situation, the verb is achever. It's conjugated here in the present form. J'achève. We put the preposition de and then the verb in the infinitive faire. J'achève de faire mes exercices. Verbe numéro 5. Arrêter de. J'arrête de manger dans 20 minutes. J'arrête de manger dans 20 minutes. The verb is arrêter, regular verb from the first group, so it's in the present form here. J'arrête, then we put the preposition de, and then the infinitive form manger. J'arrête de manger dans 20 minutes. Verbe numéro 6. Blâmer de. Il me blâme de ne pas agir assez vite. Il me blâme de ne pas agir assez vite. So in that situation, as you can see, the verb is blâmer, so it's conjugated in the present form. We have the pronoun once again. Il me blâme. The pronoun should always be before the verb it is connected to. Then we put the preposition de here. The infinitive form is agir here, but you need to remember that when you put the negative form of an infinitive verb, in that case you need to put ne and pas before the verb. So that's the reason why you will have ne and pas before agir. So de preposition, then you put your negative form ne pas, then you put your infinitive agir. Il me blâme de ne pas agir assez vite. Verbe numéro 7. Cesser de. Je cesse de bâiller. Je cesse de bâiller. Simple in that case, the verb cesser, regular verb in the present. Je cesse, then you put your preposition de, and then the infinitive form of your verb, bâiller. Je cesse de bâiller. Verbe numéro 8. Choisir de. Je choisis de ne pas répondre. Je choisis de ne pas répondre. So remember that the verb choisir belongs to the second group of verbs, so the regular verb in IR. So this is the reason why in the present you have this form, je choisis. Then you will put your preposition de. Remember, we had that previously. We want to put the negative form of the verb répondre. So répondre here is in the infinitive form, but then we want to put the negative. So ne pas should be before répondre. Je choisis de ne pas répondre. Verbe numéro 9. Se contenter de. Je me contente de faire ce qu'il demande. Je me contente de faire ce qu'il demande. So, se contenter, as you can see, it's a pronominal verb, so you will have to conjugate for the first person with je me, and then after that you put your verb contente, then the preposition de and your verb in infinitive faire. Je me contente de faire ce qu'il demande. Verbe numéro 10. Continuer de. Je continue de penser que j'ai raison. Je continue de penser que j'ai raison. Same situation here as we had quite many times before. A regular verb from the first group. So continuer, je continue in the present tense. Then you put your preposition de and then the infinitive penser. Je continue de penser que j'ai raison.